let me tell you a little bit about Iron Chef Morimoto. Iron Chef Morimoto started out on the show Iron Chef in Japan decades ago, where they had Iron Chefs that would go against competitors, and in 1 hour the chairman would introduce a theme ingredient in Kitchen Stadium, where both competitors would have 1 hour to use the theme ingredient to create dishes. The theme ingredient was outlandish. Sometimes it would be something like live octopus, and they would have to get the live octopus and cook it up. One of the most famous contestants was Bobby Flay. This is where Bobby Flay and Morimoto probably became famous for the first time. It's the first time I ever heard of them. So famous that they went on to be on Iron Chef America, a new version of it that did really well. Morimoto was part of Iron Chef America, and Bobby Flay was also an Iron Chef on Iron Chef America. And this restaurant had some of the best food that my wife and I have ever had. Morimoto by Sea is what they call a restaurant takeover. One of their signature restaurants is the Pinnacle Grill. And for one night on the cruise, it turns into the Morimoto by Sea restaurant. The Pinnacle Grill is a beautiful restaurant. You can see the architecture right there as we're walking in. Here we are being greeted. And we had a seat in the back for Morimoto by Sea. And it really was a great experience. The wait staff and the food were all fantastic. I highly recommend this experience if you are sailing aboard Holland America.
Thank you.
Ginger scallion.
That's going to be great.
Put a little on the side, and if you need more, just give it to the rest.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Smell all that.
Yeah.
Onion. Don't touch it.
No, don't touch.
I got splattered on by touch. Whoa. You want to get them out of there quick.
Looks good. Cut it open.
It smells
Yeah.
great.
Wow, that looks great.
It smells amazing.
Yeah, it's really good. Yes. Excellent. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. All right.
So good.
Take one of those. Which one are you going to pick?
I'll start with this
Oh,
one.
you're going to do halves?
Yeah, we're doing halvesing.
You're going to do halves on all of them?
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
That looks good.
Thank you. We love food.
Yeah. Isn't that good?
Mm-hmm.
This is sorry? In the middle. In the middle.
Yep.
Yeah, middle.
Wow.
Sauce.
Okay.
Just a little because this is spicy.
Spicy.
So you can adjust the spice.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
And then here's the fish. That looks great.
Yeah.
Three wings.
Excellent.
Wow. Thank you.
This is fried. This is the panko. and grill. Soba noodles,
Nice.
tonkatsu sauce,
Wonderful
tartar,
sauces.
gochujang ngayon, and
And the fried rice.
Awesome.
Nice. Thank you so much.
This looks amazing.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
So we'll do half these. I
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah. We'll split it off.
I'm trying to find which piece has what.
Thanks.
Oh, thank you.
Or sake.
Me a martini.
Excellent. Thank you. That looks good.
Lychee fruit martini. Very good. Hey.
Let's have salted hot caramel.
Ooh.
And inside the spear, we have the marshmallow cream, vanilla whipped cream, and dark chocolate sorbet. And if you need more, I'll start here. Sorbet trio, blueberry lemon, the lychee sorbet, yuzu mango, tofu cheesecake, with the mango pineapple sauce, blueberry, the logo of Morimoto, and another blueberry lemon. The chef recommended each topping, each cheesecake, what you like.
Okay. Beautiful. Wow.
That's awesome. Look at that. That's beautiful.